Just give her a nice car, she will love you.
Yeah, true. Give her an island, you know, an island.
Hey guys, so before Juanito here gives you the amazing tips to get a Brazilian girl, or I mean any girl in the world, I think, but mostly Brazilians because we're Brazilians, don't forget to please subscribe here to this channel because
we're gonna help you. So in exchange for that, you just give a like thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and that's it.
And it's gonna help YouTube to show my video to other gringos who want to get more girls. Or, I mean girls. Brazilian girls.
Yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe.
Really, valuable tips.
And now let's go to the video.
Yeah,
Bye.
let's go.
Hello guys, what's up?
Hello everybody, what's up?
So I'm Leka from Brazil. I think you already know when you're tired of knowing that. And that's João, my partner, my business partner, my friend. And now he's gonna be your love counsel.
Oh, all right, let's go. All right, my name is João, and today we're gonna give you amazing tips for relationships, especially for Brazilians. If you wanna esqueci a palavra.
You know what?
Chamecar.
He's shy because he's gonna be on the spotlight today. I know I'm whiter than a ghost right now, but what can I do? We're in a hotel now in a business meeting, so yeah, that's what we got for you. And
You are a ghost, by the way.
Thank you.
Just kidding.
By the way, he is also from Brazil if you don't know that, but look at him.
Yeah.
He looks Mexican.
A little bit.
Anyways,
Lazy.
guys, I missed you. So this video is pretty straightforward. We're gonna talk about how to make a Brazilian girl fall in love with you.
Amazing tips.
In the view of this Juanito Zorro.
Alright, my good. Well, let's see what I have.
So guys, I don't know how many tips we're gonna give you. Perhaps 5, perhaps 10, perhaps none. But
Let's
stay
go with
here.
5. Why not? 5. 5 topics.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Sure. I'm sure.
Alright then.
I'm sure.
Let's do this, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Okay, so Juanito, the first tip is, so
First
guys, pay attention to this here and this here.
Alright.
So now we're gonna have the first tip to make a Brazilian girl or woman fall in love with you.
Oh yeah, being direct with you. Be rich, because being rich, I don't want to sound rude, but it's the truth.
Are you rich?
I'm doing my way, I'm in the
I like you so much.
As you can see, it works.
In 2 seconds,
It works.
I'm in love.
It works. I mean,
Guys,
yeah.
that's a joke. Jokes aside, but he's gonna be honest why being rich
It's
works.
true.
Besides being true, why it's true.
Alright,
Explain why.
Comment down below if you think it's true or not. But for me, it's true. I mean,
The deep reasons why.
because girls, they want to have experience, and if you don't have the resources to pay that, what are you gonna do? There's boring shit. They don't want to.
What type of boring shit?
I mean, staying at home, watching something,
Like Netflix and chill?
Netflix and chill. But most people, they are sick of Netflix, so they want to just
They just want to chill.
They want to, yeah. No, they don't want to chill. They want to go outside, have outdoor activities to have fun, hang out, drink, get crazy, get high.
So give this gringos a tip. Where to bring a Brazilian woman when they come here with dollars. Guys, you don't need really to be rich. You get paid in dollars. It's easy.
You're already rich.
Just
compared.
bring, well, $1,000 is enough.
Yeah, I mean, you're richer than us because, your currency's worth more valuable than ours, so it's fine.
So if you get paid a minimum wage in the USA and you save a bit of money, even $500, and you come here to have fun, you can bring the girl to many cool places in São Paulo, because if you convert the dollars from 5 to 7 all the time, so if it's 7, you're in your best behavior. If it's 5, you're still amazing, so don't worry. And then João can tell you some cool places in São Paulo, maybe.
Yeah, São Paulo. There's many types of girl, but I guess most part of them, they like to go to the beach. They like to go to nightclubs. They like to go to restaurants. They
For
like
a
to...
date on nightclubs? Yeah,
It
get my
depends.
girl, don't get my
Dança,
girl.
gatinho,
It
dança.
depends on the nightclub. There's some really sophisticated nightclubs. If you go to those medium,
I haven't been there. I've been seeing the wrong guys all my life.
yeah, you have to do a deep search, you know.
If you want to get me as your girlfriend, that's another story.
By
I
the way,
won't
we're
say.
trying to find her a gringo. So if you wanted to try this, just
We're
comment
not.
down below.
We're not trying.
We're trying.
I like being single. To get my heart, you gotta pass the 10 steps, and they are secret.
That's a confession that she wants to find someone. You know, when she says that it's fake, you know,
It's fake.
it's fake, all right?
It's just.
All right, but
I have to keep myself as a tough girl. I look tough.
yeah,
Right?
being tough helps. Being tough helps.
Do I look tough?
No.
The câmera
A
doesn't
câmera
agree.
não concordou.
O fantasma aqui não concordou.
All right.
What the fuck? Não, fica quieto.
We're doing fine.
Okay, we're back to normal.
We're back to normal.
So, I think the ghosts up there that I've dated before don't agree with me. See?
Oh
Meu
my
Deus, que
gosh.
medo.
Don't agree with you.
Tô com medo, João.
You're not tough.
Eu tô falando de fantasma e o negócio fica caindo. E tem umas manchas no meu celular. Ai,
Let me give you this punchline. Actually,
punchline.
punch. Actually, if you're richer, if you're rich, it's better. But there are some girls that they don't care about that. But yeah, if you can offer experience, you know what I mean? If you can offer experience, it's much better and easier too.
It just means you don't want to just be home with your girl. You don't want to
Yeah.
get a girl just saying, come to my house and let's watch Netflix.
Yeah, but be rich. Just,
Just
No.
give her a nice car, she will love you.
yeah, true. Give her an island, you know, an island.
No, guys, that's a
No,
real
just kidding.
joke, but
That's a
it's
joke,
true
it's a
what
joke.
he means about, well, how I see, yeah. If I'm dating someone that just brings me to his house, I will get bored really soon. I might love him, but love is not enough, never.
She only responds to a guy if he has like a BMW. So
No,
it's
only if he has a private helicopter and a private jet.
that's the truth.
Yes, I have been with so many guys like that all my life.
Many places. Yeah.
They just hide from me, you know. They have all of this, but they hide it. I
Yeah,
don't
they
know
want to be
have
humble
it.
at the first time, you know?
Yeah,
They
they're
want to
like,
show.
I just have a private island. Do you want to hang out on my helicopter? I'm like, okay.
Okay, alright. Topic 2.
Okay, so guys, let's move on to topic 2 so you don't get bored of us. So,
As we're saying, topic 2.
come on, topic 2.
Topic 2.
Show up on our faces.
Alright, topic 2. Forgot. Answer her as soon as possible. So,
Don't answer her as soon as possible.
why not?
Because if you answer a girl as soon as possible, just like I mean, if you meet a girl and then you like her, and then right away you message her, it's too intense. It's like needy. It seems
But-
needy. Like, hey,
But if you take too long to reply,
don't take too long. Has
she
to
will
have-
find someone else to talk.
No, it has to have the two sides of the coin. It can't be too fast, it can't be too long. You have to know how to feel the vibes and when to message and what not to.
Yeah. If you take too long, she's gonna be creating some expectations from you. So
You're gonna be mysterious.
Yeah,
She's gonna be
true.
wondering,
Yeah,
where is that guy?
you got a point.
You're gonna stick into her mind and she's gonna be like, where the
You're
fuck
the
is that
expert
guy?
here.
Yeah.
You got a point. True.
Because then I will keep thinking, where the fuck is this guy?
So topic 2. Take too long to answer her.
Not so long. Don't take more than 48 hours.
48. It's too long.
It's too long, but some people they
24.
take forever.
24.
Don't take forever, otherwise she's gonna be married. Whenever you come back to her, it's too late, son.
Yeah.
You lost. But do you like my tip?
Yes, you got a point.
You understand what I mean?
You're right.
If you like a girl and she doesn't message you back, you're gonna be wondering, but we connected. We had chemistry. She liked me. Where is she?
Yeah, you got a point.
And then she comes back. Hello, son. I was just living my life.
She scored. She scored now. 10.
Scored?
Scored.
I scored? Okay,
Yeah.
so
She
where
scored.
are my
Pix.
No, my volunteers. No, my volunteers, no. Como fala isso? Nem em português eu não lembro. Meus candidatos. Candidates.
Candidates. Candidates.
Where are my candidates? Send me your pics.
Yeah,
My
comment down below.
pics. Send me your pics, then I can choose better.
Show me your bank account, and then I can choose.
They're gonna think I'm a gold digger. That's horrible. I'm not. I'm
She
such
is.
a good heart, and I just care about getting to know a nice guy, a Prince Charming. You know that.
She hasn't found a rich guy yet, so
But I
that's why
found
she's...
one of his friends once. He doesn't know that, but he does. And then I got so attached to him, and he broke my heart. And now I don't trust his friends anymore. But anyway,
Read for her. Read for her.
RIP.
R-I. Read.
RIP. Don't break my heart, okay? If you want to break my heart, don't touch me.
Okay.
Never. Don't even be my friend, because friends break the hearts too.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, so I got my point. So don't answer too short. Okay?
All right.
I mean, don't answer so
Too
fast.
quick. Yeah. Too fast. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't be that guy. That's the needy guy, and we don't like needy guys.
Yeah. All right. She really has a point. So now let's go for the third one, which is do unexpected surprises, such as coming up with some special place to go.
Give them a gift after
Yeah.
6 months of their anniversary.
My gosh. And
They're
then-
not anniversary, their birthday.
Yeah, that's what she did with me. Because I turned. I won't say my age. Let's.
Turn somebody else.
I turned 23, and I said, okay, I have your gift. And then we're trying to go somewhere in order for her to give my birthday gift, but I don't know what happened.
Since I came back from Argentina, I had his gift because his birthday is on Christmas, and after Christmas I was in Argentina, so I was trying to give him his gift, but he wasn't meeting me, so that's his fault. But anyway.
Yeah, it's mine. It's mine. I am ready.
But anyways, I got him his gift. Now we're in the hotel, and he was hungry, and he ate my gift.
The whole thing.
It was eatable.
The whole thing. I was hungry.
Did you eat all?
Yeah, there was 3 or 4.
So I saved your life in this trip?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Definitely.
I saved his life in this trip. He was gonna be starving.
Yeah, I would be starving. Yeah.
Don't be a starving boy.
Yeah, I used her gift to save my life, so I'm good.
Don't be that guy.
Don't be
that guy.
Don't be me.
But you know, it's actually nice. Be that guy because it shows you appreciate the person's gift. Because you could be like, I don't care about your gift.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so
And where's the letter? Did you eat too?
the letter?
I gave you a letter. Did you lost my letter?
Oh no, I saved the letter. All right, I saved the letter. It's cute.
Guys,
I might share the message with you. I'm thinking.
I don't know if I'm old-fashioned. This could be tip number 3 for now. We can do a part 2 in another video because this is gonna be too long already.
Yeah.
But you might write letters to girls. Because I think girls nowadays, they pretend they don't like, but I'm pretty sure they like. It's very old-fashioned, but
I'm wondering right now. I don't think so.
you don't
I
think
will
so.
disagree now.
But girls like that.
I mean, letters.
Because gifts, they get old, they get dirty, you break them, you break everything. But letters, you can keep them in, okay, you can lose them too, and they can go into the rain, but it's easier, and the messages usually touch more than a gift, because gift is too...
It's professional.
Yeah, I mean, okay, I want a car, you give me a car, I'm gonna be so happy, but...
As you can see, look at the top. Look at her level. She wants a car. She could mention it like a pillow.
But I would be so much happier if you give me a car with a letter. You know what I mean?
No way.
Like, I thought so much about you. This car, when I was buying this car, I just couldn't stop thinking about you.
I just couldn't stop thinking
See how
about...
it's different when you give somebody a car like, happy birthday. But no, you were thinking about me when you bought me a car.
If there are some girls watching it, please comment down below if you like letters. If you don't, I'll have a point.
Why do you think girls don't like letters?
It's old-fashioned.
Well, people are old-fashioned too. Most
part of them. I haven't seen many letters like lately, so I don't know. But I haven't sent any letter to anyone. So.
Can I challenge you and the guys over there? I challenge you guys to try and write a letter to a girl that is not expecting, and then see what's her reaction.
Why didn't you send me on WhatsApp?
A message?
I think that will be the reply.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
I don't know, maybe there will be... Oh my god, that's so cute. He wasted his time to write thinking about me, and he actually sent me into another country.
That's a good discussion. Yeah, let's try. I'll do that myself.
I love letters. If you guys want to get into my heart, send me letters. That's one of the 10 things I told you about.
And if you're rich too. I'm just kidding.
Just be average. I like it.
What she's saying, you don't need to be billionaire. You have to be millionaire. Alright.
Oh yeah.
Translating.
Multi-millionaire.
Multi-millionaire.
Not only millionaire, because millionaires today get broke in 2 seconds. But anyway.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
I need a limousine to fuck around.
Fuck around?
No, I'm kidding. Not that. I didn't mean that. I mean, like, have fun. Have fun.
She wants to. While she's like trying to watch and things, you know, adventures.
What you think? What?
You want like.
What kind of things?
Like you want to be like half of the body, like your upper what? Upper.
He doesn't even know what he's talking about.
Yeah, I don't know. Upper side, I don't know.
Well, just do my challenge. Oh my god, I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe on this video, comment here, give me a thumbs up, and if you like this video, I give you more tips on how to get a girl, and maybe me. No, not me. I'm not on the market. I'm not on the market.
Yeah, we're really bad on it, but okay.
I'm already in love with my work.
That's
I
not
don't
true.
need anything else. That's not true. Okay. Oh, and guys, remember that movie Letters to Juliet? That was a good one.
Alright, see you guys. Bye.